User testing jobs involve testing websites, apps, or products and providing feedback to help companies improve their design and usability. Companies hire testers to act as real users and evaluate how easy or difficult it is to navigate their platforms, complete tasks, or interact with features. It's a simple way to earn money while helping businesses create better user experiences. Let's break it down with an example. When companies launch a new website, app, or feature, they want to know how users interact with it. For instance, an e-commerce company might want to know if people can easily find and purchase products on their website. As a user tester, you would visit the website, follow specific instructions, like searching for a product or completing a checkout process, and share your thoughts about the experience. Here's how it works. You sign up for a user testing platform like usertesting, Try My UI, or Userlytics. After creating an account and completing a sample test, you'll receive assignments based on your profile, such as your age, location, or experience level. For each test, you'll be given a task to complete while recording your screen and voice. You might be asked to share what you're thinking as you navigate, point out anything that's confusing, or suggest improvements. Tests typically take 10 to 20 minutes, and you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per test. For example, let's say you're assigned to test a travel booking website. You might be asked to search for flights, filter results, and attempt to book a ticket. While doing this, you might mention things like, "I don't see a clear way to apply filters," or "the checkout button is hard to find." This feedback helps the company identify pain points and make their platform more user-friendly. User testing jobs are flexible, making them ideal for anyone looking to earn extra income in their spare time. You don't need special skills, just a computer or smartphone, a reliable internet connection, and the ability to clearly share your thoughts. Some platforms also require you to pass an initial test to ensure you can provide quality feedback. The benefits are straightforward. You can work from home, set your own schedule, and get paid quickly, often through PayPal. However, there are some challenges. Tests aren't always available, so it's not a full-time income source. Additionally, you might need to be in specific demographics to qualify for certain tests, and providing thoughtful, detailed feedback is important to get more opportunities. In summary, user testing jobs involve evaluating websites, apps, or products and providing feedback to improve their usability. They're flexible, easy to start, and a great way to earn extra cash. All you need is a device, internet access, and clear communication skills.